My name is Jerry Williams. I'm the manager of manufacturing for the electronic meter in Raleigh, North Carolina, ABB. We did a Kaizen lean manufacturing project and have reaped a lot of benefits from it. The big benefit we received from it was the actual labor savings that we achieved, which was about $320,000 a year. But there was also a lot of other benefits. The line that we worked on, we are now a lot more flexible as far as the manning of the line. We also have a lot better support and buy-in from the operators on the line because they were an intimate part of the development of the Kaizen lean manufacturing project and were involved in the training and the execution, and they are very supportive of it. And they tell me, and they will tell anyone else, that they found their jobs to be a lot less stressful after the completion of this project. So that's been a big side benefit for us. My perception of lean manufacturing before we actually did the project, I had done some study, been to a class on it, and felt like there was a lot of good concepts there. And some of them had application in our operation, but really wasn't too excited about what the overall benefit might be. Felt like there would be some there, but we had not really gone after it with the idea that this is something that we want to pursue throughout our organization. And then the opportunity for this project came along, and it definitely changed my mind based on the results we actually saw. The actual increase that we got in production was we got over a 2/3 increase in the actual output of the line. We basically took an operation that had 20 operators on it and were able to run it with 12 operators. Fortunately for us, we were in a growth mode, so it was easy for us to find placement for the additional operators, even within my area of responsibility. So that wasn't a concern. And again, it was a good increase in production for us. One thing that really surprised me was the whole concept that we did was that we're going to train people, we're going to analyze the operation and come up with the recommended changes and go implement them, and we're going to do it in 3 days. And my first reaction to that was that's just absolutely impossible. Yes, I can see training people and doing the analysis and coming up with some ideas, but I just felt like there's no way we're going to go out there and implement this thing in 3 days. Well, it made a believer out of me, and we did it in 3 days. We cut conveyors in half, we moved tables around, did a lot of things, and actually achieved it in 3 days. And the beauty of that was that it actually forced you to go ahead and make the improvements right then. Too often we go and analyze a situation, come up with recommendations, and then we think about them too long and never get around to implementing them. And this pretty much forced you to go do it. And certainly we had a lot of little things to touch up on after the 3 days, but I was really amazed that we were able to do it. I also see other opportunities in my manufacturing area to implement this process. One on an existing operation, but we're already looking at on a new product that's going to be introduced using a Kaizen lean manufacturing approach as opposed to the more traditional approach of a long line type operation with individual stations. So I certainly see that there's a lot more opportunity for Kaizen lean manufacturing in my area. Thank you.